Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you another Python plugin called Settings Direct Import. So this plugin you can find within Plugins, and if you go to Available and then User Management, Settings Direct Import is listed here. And you can download this plugin. However, you don't have to enable it since this says this will run as a utility. And since this is a utility, you'll have to run this instead of enabling it. And so what I'm going to do, if I look at my user settings and go to the display tab, my regular color is set to a white background. But I have another user setting called blue, where if I go in here and open up a file, my user background is blue. But in my regular Ashley user, if I open up a document here, it's white. So what I'm going to do is go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and I'm going to select the Settings Direct Import plugin, and I'm going to hit Run now that I've downloaded it. And what this is going to do, it's going to ask me which user I would like to take settings from. So I'm going to choose the blue user and press OK. And now it's going to take me into my current user settings. And now I'm going to hit Import Settings because what it's done is create a temporary user folder for me. And then I'm going to go into my job folder and I see that temp setting file that was created today just now. And I can press OK or double click on it. And now I can import any part of the blue.ini settings into this user. And so I'm going to choose None and then Display and press OK. And now if I open a document in this user, it has the blue background for me. So all you have to do is go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and you can find Settings Direct Import. Make sure that it is set to off but has been downloaded and that you have the most recent version. Then hit Run. Select the user that you want to steal settings from, press OK, and then Import Settings. Now go to Job and select the temp.set file that it created. At this point, you can choose whichever settings segments you would like to include. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support, and tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.